Hey guys, Mike here with TriDelta, and this is your DIY HVAC tip of the week. If you own a GeneralAire 1042LH humidifier and you're experiencing low water flow through the solenoid, simply use 2 adjustable wrenches, remove the 2 water inlet brass fittings. This will reveal a filtration screen. If this screen is clogged, prepare a white vinegar bath, submerge the screen for at least 2 hours to dissolve any minerals. Make sure to check the water inlet orifice for any obstructions and remove if necessary. We want to reassemble the fittings, reinstall the solenoid, test for leaks, and that was your DIY HVAC tip of the week.